Hi folks, I'm Craig Taylor, and as always, a huge thanks for joining me here on my YouTube channel, The Bushcraft Padawan. The phrase, the acronym, the term EDC, or Everyday Carry, is a term that you'll probably come across quite regularly if you're involved in the sorts of circles and interests and groups that you and I are probably interested in. EDC, Everyday Carry. In a nutshell, it does what it says on the tin, it's the stuff that you carry every day, right? Seems logical enough, seems sensible enough. I don't have an issue with the term itself. It's nice, it's short, it's snappy, it does what it says in the tin. But I do think, and I think I'm probably quite right in thinking this, that the vast majority of the time it is overused, it is used in the wrong context, it is used in a way that shows things that are not everyday carry. So what I wanted to do in this video was to set out why I don't like the term and what I carry when what my EDC is, and a slight twist on that, what my going outdoors into the woods everyday carry, something that I call my pocket content. So let me rant for a little while and then I'll get to the nub of the video, I promise. Let's think about that phrase again, EDC, everyday carry. The reason it grates on me most of the time, not all of the time, but most of the time I see it, is because I genuinely think that there are very few people that really do carry the sorts of things that I'm going to show later in this video every day. Sure, there are some people, there are probably quite a lot of people, but I think it's the minority of people compared to everybody else that really do carry these things. If I think about programs like Mountain Men, where there are these people who live in the very environments that you and I probably choose to go to for a pastime, a hobby, an interest, maybe to run our business from. These people live in conditions that are probably more austere than them. So I get that those people probably do carry this sort of stuff every single day. It is their EDC, their everyday carry. I must admit though that most of the time when I see people posting photographs and making videos of their EDC, I do stop and think, do you really carry that every day? Genuinely, seriously, honestly? I think most of the time people probably don't. So I want to share with you now, a little bit tongue-in-cheek, but there's an element of sense in it, what my EDC really looks like. Let's take a look at my semi-tongue-in-cheek / semi-serious EDC, my everyday carry. I wear a watch every day, whether I'm in the woods or not. I have my keys on me every day, whether I'm going into the woods or not. Ditto for my phone and ditto for my wallet. Those are the things that I carry on me every day, regardless of whether in the woods, shopping, taking the kids to school, traveling somewhere, going overseas on business, visiting a client. Those are the things that I have on me, in my pockets or on my body every single day. I can genuinely say they are my EDC, my everyday carry. So there we have it. Phone, keys, wallet and watch. I can guarantee I do carry those every single day. I also carry them with me when I go to the woods because I'm still wearing my watch. I need to use my car to get there. I take my wallet with me in case I need to get any fuel on the way on there or back. I take my phone with me to capture things and also as a safety backup tool. So phone, keys, wallet and watch are part of my woodlands / outdoor pursuits pocket contents, but on a day-to-day basis, 99% of the time, unfortunately, when I'm not in the woods doing this sort of thing, that's my EDC. And I suspect if most people were really honest with themselves, that's their genuine EDC. Remember, every day carry. Let's have a look now at what I take with me when I go out into the woods doing the sort of thing that I'm doing today. Let me give you then a really quick run through of the kit that I carry in my pockets as a minimum when I go out into the woods. I guess you could call it my woodland EDC, or as I just like to call it, my pocket contents. I take out my Mora Garberg Carbon, my Bahco Laplander saw. Because I'm carrying cutting tools, I'll also take out a cuts kit and a double-sided sharpening stone. Waterproof notebook and pencil, ferro rod, lighter with some tape wraps around it, compass with a lanyard to attach it to me, a decent bundle of silver birch bark, Betula pendula, just in case I can't find any decent tinder where I'm operating, and also a couple of different lengths, different material, different diameter pieces of cordage as well. Once again, this is the minimum that I take in my pockets. If it's winter, I'll supplement it with the things that I should be carrying in winter. If it's summer, I'll supplement it for the things that I should be carrying in summer. But that is my go-to, day in, day out, season in, season out EDC, or my bushcraft pocket content, whatever it is that you want to call it. I make sure that I'm always carrying this kit because it lives in my kit. When I take my trousers off at home, once I've serviced all the kit, it goes back in the pockets. The knife goes back onto my belt. The Bahco Laplander goes into a pocket. Everything gets stowed away. So all I have to do is pick those trousers off the hook in my garage, and all of the kit is in the pockets. There we have it, folks. There's my Woodlands EDC, which is a contradiction in terms, isn't it? Because I'm not in the woodlands every day. Let's call it my pocket content. Although for the sake of search engine optimization on this video, I am going to call the video my EDC content or something like that, just because that's what people are probably searching for. But hopefully if they find this video, if they watch it, they maybe do reconsider, is what they carry truly an EDC, or is it what they carry when they go into the woods? Is there a distinction? Should there be a distinction? Am I once again worrying about something that doesn't need worrying about? I get told that a lot, usually from my wife. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it made you think on the distinction between the two. And even if it did or didn't, I hope there's perhaps something that I carry with me that's made you think, I'd never thought of that, or I carry that too, or I carry a variation of that, or I carry something that Craig actually doesn't carry at all when he goes out into the woods. And if that's the case, let me know please in the comments below. As I always say, I am very much a newcomer to this whole thing, so I'm not professing that what I carry is the be all and end all. That's what I like from my YouTube channel, is I learn a lot from what you people respond and how you people respond. So if I'm not carrying something you think I should be, let me know in the comments below. As always, those of you that are subscribers, what can I say? A massive thank you. For those of you that are not yet subscribers, in this corner of the screen down here, I think it's down here, my camera lens sort of reverses things, but I'm confident it's in the bottom right hand corner of your screen, whichever direction that is in. There has been a subscribe button for the duration of this video. It'd be great if you could click on it, like the video, share the video. If you do none of that, then do feel free to comment below and let me know what you thought of the last few minutes. Thanks as always for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you very shortly in the next video. Cheers.